crucial for our living beings. Carbon emissions significantly contribute to global warming and climate change. Forest fires, primarily caused by human activity, are a major source of carbon emission in Indonesia, a country among the top 10 carbon emitters globally. The objective of our research are: first is provide information about provinces with carbon emission resulting from forest fires. 2 is obtain the clustering result of regions based on the amount of carbon emission in Indonesia. 3 is determine the optimal number of clustering use the K-means model.
We use secondary data from the Ministry of Environment and Forestry of Indonesia, covering 38 provinces and 9 variables from 2015 to 2023. The K-means method was chosen for its efficiency in handling large datasets and its ability to produce clear visualization for easy interpretation. Normalization of the data was done using Z-score normalization to align the data scale, improving the model's performance. The optimal number of clusters was determined using the Silhouette coefficient method. The result indicated that the most optimal number of clusters is 2. Next, determine the centroids with the initial centroid positions at points 12 and 18. Which are then used to calculate the nearest distance to the cluster. Based on the result of the nearest distance to the clusters, data points are assigned to become members of a particular cluster.
The K-means analysis identified 2 clusters. Cluster 1, West Kalimantan, Central Kalimantan, Riau, and South Sumatra with high carbon emissions. Cluster 2, the remaining 34 provinces with relatively lower carbon emissions. This show maps the clustering result, with Cluster 1 provinces marked in green and Cluster 2 provinces in yellow. Cluster 1 has a high carbon emission level, while Cluster 2 has a lower emission level. In conclusion, the K-means method effectively clusters the provinces into 2 groups based on carbon emission from forest fires. This highlights the need for target government action and information dissemination to mitigate carbon emission and achieve net zero emission (NZE).
Let's protect the environment to achieve Indonesian net zero emission.